It's good.
We need to stop running over.
This could go terribly wrong.
So this is good for work morale, right? Does Dixie have a cat? Oh wait, it's another.
Yeah, no. We have a cat, so.
And we have a dog at home.
Yep.
Oh, so it's fine.
Yep.
What a beauty.
So a lot of workplaces, we want to see your pictures with your pets today, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put it on our, Facebook.
I still want to see that rabbit. Yeah. Hashtag it #BeOn13 so we can show it to our viewers later on today. Hashtag #BeOn13 and then we'll show off your pets as part of the Take Your Pet to Work Day.
Yeah. You didn't bring any of our own pets, did you?
I didn't bring
No,
Charles.
it's
It's a long day for poor Dixie girl.
When I have Charles here, he's so enamored with all of the odors out in the grass, of all the other animals that come before him, that it takes forever to get him to potty. And then when it was all rainy and stuff, I thought, forget it.
Yeah. Mine are just too crazy to bring, so that's.
Oh, Dixie, we're gonna let you Dixie take off.
Peace out.
She's super excited.
Remember when Dixie did the try it before you buy it with me? It was like some toy that wasn't supposed to ever be torn apart. Dixie,
Yeah,
like,
and it
tore
took her
apart.
about 5 minutes. Yeah.
Like,
Yes. Hi, baby girl.
oh, that's so funny. All right, I'm